How you doing? Mikey Pipes. Yeah. I don't know how many of you guys or girls know or ever watched the show Sons of Anarchy. Well, we got a JWCustom Sons of Anarchy Mikey Pipes edition. If you're a fan of the show, please leave a comment. I'd like to hear about it. So, here we go. We got a JWCustom Sons of Anarchy Mikey Pipes edition. Yeah, buddy. DNA 250C. Let's see what we got inside. Look at that. We got a 3000 mAh 30C 4-cell LiPo battery. What we got on top? We got a Valkyrie on top. We got a Typhoon tip and Typhoon glass from Typhoon Tips. We got James Mucklin coils inside. We got what juice? I got this. We got pipe dreams inside. So, Son of Anarchy box. Yeah. What do you know about samcro? Huh? Okay, let's do this. Look at that. samcro, baby. So, if you are a Sons of Anarchy fan, please post in the comments what season, what episode was the best, and who was your favorite character. I would love to hear your comments. So, samcro is out. Mikey Pipes is out. Ciao, ciao. I'm Oni. Peace.